So the vocabulary that you're going to be learning today is distributive property, combining like terms, and collecting like terms. Distributive property lets you multiply a sum by multiplying each addend separately and then adding the products. In this example of distributive property, you see the 5 and the 4 distributing themselves evenly to the other equations. Combining like terms is a mathematical process used to simplify an expression or to add or subtract polynomials. In this example, you see all the like terms combining themselves together. So this problem is 7x equals 4x plus 15. So first, you're going to subtract the 4x from both sides because it's the smallest number. So you're going to subtract from right to left. So 4x minus 7x is going to give you 3x. Then you're going to bring down the 15. So 3x equals 15. Then you're going to divide both sides by 3. The answer you should get is x equals 5. Now this problem's a little bit bigger, but it's still as simple. So you're going to take the smallest number on the right and subtract it from the largest number. So you're going to subtract 3x on both sides. So 5x minus 3x is going to give you 2x. Then you're going to bring the negative 2 and the 4 down. So you get 2x minus 2 equals 4. Then you're going to add 2 to both sides, and you're left with 2x equals 6. Then you're going to divide both that by 2. The answer you should get is 3. So the next equation is 9n minus 6 equals 5n plus 18. So again, you're going to subtract the smallest number by the largest. So you're going to subtract 5n from both sides. Then you end up with 4n, and then you bring down the negative 6 plus 18. So you get 4n minus 6 equals 18. Then you're going to add 6 to both sides, and you're going to end up with 4n equals 24. Then you're going to divide that whole equation by 4. The answer is n equals 6. This equation is a little bit trickier, but it's still easy. So in this equation, you're going to be combining like terms. So you can just separate the whole equation by 2 problems. So 6y plus 4 minus 3y. There are 2 like terms in that equation. So you're going to subtract 6y minus 3y and end up with 3y plus 4. And then in the next problem, negative 5 and 17 are like terms. So you're going to subtract that and end up with 1y plus 12. Then you're going to subtract y from both sides and end up with 2y plus 4 equals 12. You're going to subtract 4 by both sides and end up with 2y equals 8 divided by 2. The answer you should get is y equals 4. The next problem is x plus 14 equals 7x plus 32 minus 3. So you're going to add the like terms together. So again, it's 4x minus x. And since x is smaller than 4x, but x is on the left side, you're just going to bring it to the right. So you're going to subtract 4x by x and end up with 14 equals 3x plus 32. Then you're going to subtract 32 from 14, and you're going to receive negative 18 equals 3x. Then you're going to divide that whole thing by negative 18. The answer is negative 6 equals x. Now the last problem I'm going to help you out with before you try it on your own is a little bit different because this one involves parentheses and the distributive property. So first, you're going to distribute 3 to the parenthesis part. So you get 2k minus 5k equals 3, and you're going to distribute 3 to 1, so 3 times 1 equals 3, and then 3 times 2k equals 6. So you're going to get 2k minus 5k equals 3 minus 6k. Then you're going to subtract 2k minus 5k because it's like terms, and you're going to get a negative 3k equals 3 minus 6k. Then you're going to add 6k to both sides and end up with 3k equals 3 divided by 3. the answer you should get is k equals 1. Now you're going to try this problem on your own. So the problem is negative 10p plus 9p equals 12. So the answer you should have gotten was p equals negative 12. And that's it for this video, so I hope you learned a thing or two. Thank you for watching.